Today I want to review this kind of drone.
So there's a light on top. There are sensors on the side, and it comes with a cable, a connector, a charger actually, and where does it plug in? You plug it in like right here. Okay, so in order to start it, you have to charge it, and then you toss it up, and it's gonna fly. And then senses where you are, you can push it sort of with your hand where you want it to go. And if you want to stop it, what do you have to do?
You have to hit it.
And it's gonna fall. It's very lightweight. It is harmless. Almost hit my head. Lots of wind. They love it. Kids love it.
But we won't move your head.
It is an excellent activity for the kids because it makes them run or walk really fast after that. The only down point is battery life. It is relatively short, I would say maybe like 15 minutes, but it also charges really quickly as well. And they love it, of course.
It makes like noises.
So you push it with your hand and directs it where he wants it to go. He does it. Ah, it flipped. That's the kind of tricks you can do.
Stop doing it.
Kids love it. It would make an excellent gift for birthday or any other occasion.
But now I would make food.
Right, you can play indoor and outdoor. But I think outdoor they have more space. Oh, it sensed the tree and it turned away. It is landing. Watch out. Oh.
And you know how you stop it? You just hit it until it hits something.
Woohoo. Oh wow, it's pretty high.